Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to use Microsoft Power Automate to automate tasks. So how to start using Power Automate, you need to first get a student account or you need to get an organizational or business account. After that, you can actually try to log in into Power Automate. So to start using the Power Automate, after you logged into your account, you need to click on Create from here to start creating your flow. So from here, you can actually create a new flow so you can automate stuff. So there's automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, scheduled cloud flow, desktop flow, and process mining. So if you want to just send an email or something in a scheduled time, you can actually click on scheduled cloud flow. After that, you need to add all the information from here, like the date, the time, the name, and everything about the new flow. After you do, you need to now start creating the flow. Also, there's a lot of other stuff that can actually help you on creating the flow. Like from here, you will have some templates. So from here, you will find a lot of pre-created templates from Power Automate. So you can automatically do a lot of stuff using each of these templates. So if you want to send emails automatically, you can use one of these templates from here. Also, there's templates for reminders, there's templates for notifications, and a lot of stuff that you can use from here. So all you need to do is to just click on one of these templates, and after that you need to sign in into the accounts of Outlook as you from here and OneDrive. Then you can click on Create Flow to create a new flow using this template. Also, there's a lot of things that you can actually use from here. There's the Learn section that can actually help you to learn a lot of stuff about Power Automate. So there's a lot of trainings and a lot of tutorials that you can use to learn more about Power Automate and how to use it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.